15 weird facts most people don't know. First, flamingos bend their legs at the ankle, not the knee. They essentially stand on tiptoe. Their knees are closer to their body and are covered by feathers. This is just the first of many weird facts to blow our mind. Second, roller coasters were invented to distract Americans from sin. In the 1980s, Hosiery businessman Lamarcus Thompson hated that Americans were tempted by hedonistic places like salons and brothels. So he set out to straighten up one of the most immoral places he could think of, Coney Island in New York. Third, ice pops were invented by an 11-year-old by accident. In 1905, an 11-year-old boy named Frank left soda powder and water outside overnight with its wooden stirrer still in the cup. The mixture had frozen in the chilly nighttime weather, and so the Epsicle was born. He sold the treat around his neighbor and a nearby amusement park and even patented the recipe. Years later, he changed the name to Popsicle because that's what his kids called their Pops concoction. Fourth, sloth can hold their breath longer than dolphins can. By slowing their heart rates, sloth can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. Dolphins need to come up for their air after about 10 minutes. Fifth, a woman was elected to Congress before women's suffrage. American women were given the right to vote in 1920, but Jeannette Rankin became the first woman in the US federal office in 1960. Sixth, Fruit Loop Loops are all the same flavor. No point in eating around the purple ones, so all Fruit Loops taste like fruit. Other than the wild berry Fruit Loops, of course. Seventh, supermarket apples can be a year old. These weird facts might have you changing the way you eat. Those fresh apples aren't all that fresh per se. They are usually picked between August and November, covered in wax, hot air dried, and sent into cold storage. After 6 to 12 months, they are finally land onto your grocery store shelves. 8th, it's impossible to hum while holding your nose. You just tested it, didn't you? Normally, when you hum, the air is able to escape through your nose to create the sound, and of course, it can't do that when you are holding it shut. 9th, octopuses have 3 hearts. Squids do too. One pumps blood to their whole system, and 2 are dedicated into just gills. 10th, most wasabi paste isn't real wasabi. Wasabi is expensive, so most companies use horseradish instead. Real wasabi is actually milder than what you have been getting with your sushis.